Welcome to The Sage Gardener with Dave Hansen.
Hi, I'm Dave from Sage Garden. I'm here to talk about applying your web discount code if you're a Sage Garden member. We got a lot of questions from people ordering online about how to get their 10% discount, and so I just wanted to show a quick demo on how to do that. It's really easy. So if you're a Sage Garden member, it means you get 10% off throughout the year, 20% off first Tuesday of every month, and you'll get a little card like this that indicates that you are a member. On the back of it, there's something called our web discount code. It's a 4-digit code that's unique, and this is what you're going to need when you go to your online order. So to do an online order, for example, to register for workshops, to purchase seeds, these kinds of things, you just go to our website at www.herbs.mb.ca, and the links for things that are purchasable online are on the left-hand menu. So I'll just click on one here for seeds, for example. And what you do is you would go through and you would put items into your shopping basket. All right, I'm going to get some National Pickling Cucumbers. They're a great cuke that you can direct seed starting sort of towards the end of April into pots. And I'm going to choose 5 packs of the National Pickling Cucumber. And so anytime you want to change the quantity of things, you hit the recalculate button in the cart, and you'll notice that just above the recalculate field in the checkout in the cart, there is something called discount coupon field. And it's kind of a white text box. And so you're going to need that code once again, in this case for April. And you're going to enter that 4-digit number into the field. And you're going to hit recalculate. That's the very important step. And so when you hit recalculate, it automatically takes your 10% off. From there, you can proceed to the checkout and complete your order, and everything will show up on your web invoice, including the web discount code for membership. If for any reason this doesn't go smoothly, the code doesn't seem to be working, if you go through and proceed with your order, in any case, we review all the orders and we always apply Sage Garden member discounts when we actually process the order in our store. We hope this helps. If you have any questions, just give one of our staff a call, send us an email, or check out this video again, and we look forward to seeing you out at the store. Thanks so much.
Find us online at herbs.mb.ca or visit us down at the greenhouse, 3410 St. Mary's Road in Winnipeg.